Okay, so we want to be able to print our worksheets off and print various bits of data off when they're useful for us. There's a few things we could do to help us do that. What I want to do first of all, I'm going to click down the bottom here and I'm going to change my view. And on this page layout view, it allows me to add a header or a footer. So I'm going to click into here. And now I could choose some things up here like the date and so on, or I can just type in here myself. So I'm just going to write in here Mr. Morgan, and I'm just going to call it song sales for now. And that gives me enough information so I know who it belongs to and what it is. I'm going to click back out and go back to the normal view again. And there I am. You can't see anything going on, although you do see this funny dotted line now. Now this dotted line is to do with what will print. If I just hit print now, it will print this spreadsheet in two halves, which is no good to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the end of my spreadsheet and I'm going to select from the end right the way up to the very beginning. So I've selected everything that I want to print. I'm going to go to what's called page layout and I'm going to choose print area and say set the print area. So this is telling me the printer knows that it only needs to print this part of the worksheet, not all these other white cells that don't have any data in. That's still not quite enough for what I want to do. Now what I want to do is I want to go to my print preview. So I'm going to go to file and print, and in here I can obviously choose the printer. This 1320 printer is the one that's connected to my laptop at the moment, but you can see in the preview on the right here that it's in landscape. Sorry, it's in portrait, and it would be better in landscape, and it is cutting off a load of it. So I'm going to come down over here and I'm going to change portrait and turn it into landscape, and at the same time it's still only showing me as far as Saturday. I want to actually make sure that on the scaling one it fits all the data, so it fits sheet onto one page I choose. Although this looks quite small at the moment on the preview, that will print off quite nicely at A4 size. So all I need to do to actually print off now, making sure that all my data is on one page with my header up here, is hit the print button. Okay, good luck with that.